Test vessel preparation. Please adhere to the following recommendations and instructions. Select the appropriate test vessel. Clean the test vessel and electrodes with lint-free wipes and a suitable solvent such as hexane, heptane or petroleum. Remove reducible solvent from the test vessel. Install the test vessel in the test chamber. Then insert the electrodes. Insert the space gauge between the electrode pair. Rotate the spacing control arms until the electrodes contact the space gauge with light pressure. Remove the spacer gauge, the gap is set. Once the test instrument is activated, fill the test vessel according to the local filling standards for sampling. The test vessel is now rinsed out with part of the oil sample. This oil should not be used for testing afterwards. Avoid agitating the test liquid in order to prevent air bubbles. Verify that the test sample liquid covers the electrodes. If you would like more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.